Good morning. It is Monday, April 13th. Here we are in class. This announcement is posted here. This week, briefly, office hours are at 11 on Tuesday and Friday at 2. This week you will be studying the first chapter on the nervous system. It's chapter 11 on nervous tissue. The nervous lab, the homework and quiz are due on the 18th, and then the test is due on the 19th. Here are the links for the tutoring sessions. But as always, please contact me if you would like to tutor individually, and I will set up a collaborate link. So let's go down to today. This is the first chapter. Your test is on the 19th. The nervous tissue lab, part 1 is invisible body. That's due the 18th. I'll change that. There are some notes there if your computer connection makes it difficult to use visible body. If you were to do the nervous system lab 14, be aware they might ask you to draw pictures of some tissue. Forget that. But if they want you to draw a certain type of neuron, you need to make that drawing. But any tissue drawing you don't need to do. So Monday announcement, lab due the 18th, mastering quiz the 18th, test by the 19th. So let's go over to our online assignments. And there's chapter, here's the 13th today, and there is chapter 11 due on the 18th. As always, do the dynamic study modules. They will help you learn the material. Then let's go over to visible body. Here you can see nervous system lab 1. Now I do want to point out that there is a worksheet to, oops, didn't want to do that. I'm trying to move this. Let me move this over here. All right, so back to visible body. And over here on the left, you will see course resources. And there you will see the nervous system lab part 1 that you need to do and submit in class. That lab assignment link is there near your test. So let's go back here, go back into here, and well, there's a lot more there that if I look at the student preview, we can see just what you see. So there's our nervous system lab, and you'll see that this chapter will really help you with the material. These animations are very brief. The 3D viewer, you can manipulate the skeleton so that you can turn them all over the place. And in here, you will have, oh darn, I didn't want to do that. But my link is not real good to visible body. But in here, you will have some quizzes. So there won't be a separate nervous tissue quiz outside of visible body. It will just be the lab and then the submission of the lab review sheet. So I hope that clears up what's going on this week. Let me know. The best way to contact me is through Remind. I've noticed that if people send me messages through RAMs online, I don't get that message until I log back into class, whereas I will get the Remind immediately if I'm around my phone and happen to hear it or look at it. So you know, there are some faster methods for getting in touch with me. So please have a good week. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you, and keep in touch.